show you guys how to make the most delicious Nutella smoothie. So all you'll need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way chocolate protein powder, 1 cup of milk of your choice. I'm going to be using almond milk today, 1 banana, and about a tablespoon of hazelnut and chocolate spread. So I'm using the Panna Organics today, and then I've got some ice cubes. So all we need to do to make this recipe is add all of our ingredients into a high-powered blender, blend it until smooth, and enjoy.